Hello guys, welcome to another of my tutorial. And on this video we are going to show you how to now find the minimum number in a range of cells. In the previous video we had concentrated on checking for the maximum number of value. So if you had not watched that tutorial, please go back to the YouTube channel and look for that tutorial. So for the minimum, we are going to use the same sample of numbers, that is the range of 10 to 50. And as usual, we are going to place our cursor in the cell where we want our answer or the desired value to be. And then we start with an equal sign since it is a formula. For those who are not conversant with the use of formulas, you can also go back to another of my tutorial that I done on how to insert formulas in Excel. So you start with an equal sign, then you put min, min to start for minimum, then open the bracket. Then you type in the first cell number of the first value in your Excel numbers that you want to check the minimum. So for this case, it is this value 10, which is in cell A1. Then you put a column, a full column, to tell Excel that now what follows is a range. Then the last number is 50, in which this value is contained in cell E1. So you put E1 and then you press on enter on your keyboard. So this gives you the value of 10, which is by default is the minimum value. So for those who would like to do it a bit easier, you can still use the same formula, is equals to minimum. Then open the bracket, then left click on the first cell of your range, drag all the way to the last cell of your range, and then you put a closing bracket, then you press on enter. It will still give you the same answer, but this time round is a bit faster. Thank you for watching, and then remember to ask any question in the comment section, and also like and share this video.